The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobile Police Department. Koromi has arrived in the city of Mobile and is opening fire on civilians. In addition, she has been spotted with 4 other individuals. As of now, the identities of these individuals are currently unknown. All residents in the city of Mobile should close and lock all doors and windows and remain indoors until further notice. Stay tuned to news outlets or Know Weather Radio for any updates regarding these circumstances.